In this video, you'll learn how to add an object from one clip into another while keeping it perfectly blended and pixel accurate in Adobe After Effects. Just follow the steps one by one, it's actually much easier than it looks. I'll walk you through the entire process, show you a few useful tricks along the way, and by the end, you'll be able to recreate this effect on your own and apply it to all kinds of different projects.